Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I've had this piece for a while, something that I've been wanting to do. Another interior modification for the S2000. I picked it up at Modifry. A lot of people, what they do, they take the car tracking, or they want to mount a GoPro. What they do is they stick it to the center armrest area with a glove box. So Modifry came up with a cool solution. This is it here. It is just a plate that is going to sit right underneath the windscreen. Then I got the GoPro mount, and very similar to the cup holder mount, it's just going to sit in here, right? And then the GoPro sits right on top there. And then the GoPro points directly down the center of the car out the window. This should be a quick install. What I'll do is I'll show you how I install it, then I'll mount the GoPro on it, which I'm actually using to film now, record now, and then I'll go on a quick ride just to see where the view is, and that's it. What are you thinking of that? Should be quick. What are you thinking, 5 minutes?
30.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
I'm thinking 10 minutes.
No.
Okay. All right, let's do this. So first step, remove the windscreen. Oh, actually, also, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line this with a little bit of Scotch tape, or something soft. This way it doesn't mess up the center console. First step, remove these little guys. I'm using a flat head. That's it. Okay, so now that it's out, I cleaned this off a little bit because it was disgusting. A lot of dust, pollen. The next step would be, basically this plate goes here and it lines up with the holes perfectly. And then the windscreen goes right on top, and then you screw it down, and then you're done. Now, if I leave this here and I don't put anything underneath it, with some flapping and some moving, it could scratch this up. So what I'm gonna do is line this with some tape. So I'm gonna use this duct tape, because it has, it'd be better if it was, I was gonna say it'd be better if it was like felt, but that might get wet. So I'll just use this. All right. So we're gonna line this up. Put the little caps back on. Now the other thing that you got to get is the actual GoPro mount for this Modifry part. So all you do, you start on one side and it clips in. Then what I'll do is I'll mount the GoPro on here. In fact, let me show you how it is. So to remove it, you just lift on the tab and it comes off. Now I'm gonna mount the GoPro on here and then I'll record with my phone just to show you what it looks like on there. Okay, there it is. There's the GoPro. This is the Hero 8. Right on here. This comes with the mount. There is an adjustment screw here. This way you can position it left or right and then tighten it. So what I'll do, I'll put it on and then make sure that I can see through the front windshield and then tighten the bottom bolt. So here it goes. There you go. Solid, doesn't move. Take it off, just lift, put it away. That's it. What was that? I said it was gonna be 5 minutes. I think it was, what, 10 minutes I said?
You said 5 or 10.
I think it was like 5 minutes. It was super fast. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna adjust it and then take you out for a quick ride to see if it, works or gives me the, the right view. And that'll do it. So, quick video. Figured I'd show you how the Modifry windscreen GoPro holder works. Hope you like it. Remember guys, like, comment, subscribe. Come out with a bunch more content for the S2000, the 335, and the X5. So until then, I'll check you guys out in the next one.